we just bought our first building. We got a new office space, new warehouse space. Oh, I just hurt my finger, man. With God, all things are possible. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. Guess what, man? We just bought our first building. We got a new office space, new warehouse space. We're gonna be able to put our tools in here and everything, but it needs a full remodel. You can see the exterior right here, man. We're gonna need new windows, new front beams here in the front, the posts. We're gonna get everything replaced. We're probably going to paint this brick as well. We're gonna have to work on the doors, get new doors. I mean, you name it. But check it out though, no soliciting, all right? So don't come up in here soliciting and whatnot. Y'all wanna go inside? Let's do it, man. This is freaking beautiful. Very outdated to say the least, but so much room and space for opportunity. I'm gonna close that door behind us actually, but check this out, man. This is gonna be phenomenal. We have a cool vision for what we're gonna do here. I think we first need to start with the demo. We're gonna start tearing these walls down, get all these ceiling tiles. I mean, check this out. You can tell I'm 6 foot tall, so that might be 8-foot ceilings right there. Way too constricted. I feel like it's pressing down on me. I don't necessarily like it. So we're gonna take all these ceiling tiles out, get these walls down so we can open up the space. And I'm truly interested in what you guys have to say. Where should I put walls? Where should I put an office? Should I put like a nice conference table in here somewhere? I mean, we've got the fresh light coming in through the windows here, which also will be replaced, but it's like, do you put a table here? Do we take down this wall? Let's go through and do a little bit of tour right here. We've got one room on this left side. Oh, they even left a nice little carpet for us, or a rug. Check this out, man. Could lay down in that and really get probably some termites or some ants or something. But I think we'll actually open up most of, well, hold on, come on over here. I knew this was the right purchase. I didn't even see this till just now. With God, all things are possible. I love that. That is beautiful right there. That just touched my heart. I got to take a picture of that and send it to somebody, man. That is freaking amazing. Literally, we just closed on this literally this morning. So like I'm filming this the morning of, and all this is happening. Now it's afternoon. We're going to go into this other bedroom or whatever it was. And it had kind of a, not even sure what they used this for. This is like what you see in like Asian movies where it like separates the walls and stuff like that. I'll kind of open it up. We're gonna get all these walls out of here. All this wood paneling, no shot, not happening. We're actually gonna cut a huge door into here, put a nice door that opens, a garage door, so that if we wanna pull the Bobcat in or we wanna bring in stuff off the side, which we'll show you the exterior here in a second. But as we go here into the other rooms, you can see, man, lots of progress that can be done in here. We've got like a kitchenette. We'll get rid of this, get rid of all this wood paneling on these walls and everything. Super structurally sound building, man. We've got great HVAC. We've got great water. We've got everything going on in here that we need to go on. What is going on in here? Okay, bathroom. Definitely redoing this entire bathroom. Yeah, it's beautiful. I can't wait to, I had to just close that toilet right there, but can't wait to put a new shower in. Can't wait to just get a new vanity. Probably gonna call Lillian Cabinets. Maybe jump over somewhere local. I don't know, just depends. I've been using Lillian Cabinets in all my other builds and stuff like that. So we'll see, maybe they can get me something pretty quick. If not, we'll run over to Home Depot, get something, you know, that we can just throw in that's not expensive. It is an office, doesn't have to be like the crazy, I mean, we might just pimp out this office. I don't even know, honestly. We're just talking, figuring out as we go. And check this out, man. We walk in here. This is even more space for us right here. I mean, you've got all kinds of stuff. We've got all the HVAC right here. We'll probably get all this shifted over into a corner. We're gonna have a nice washout sink, I assume. I mean, we're doing construction here. We gotta be able to come in here, take a shower, get clean if we need to. All this electrical stuff that's on the wall right here. And we're just gonna get rid of all of these walls right here, man. I mean, there's a lot going on. They got it insulated, but we need space because we need storage. We're gonna have stuff that goes up here. I just need some help with the idea of how we should actually create the walls, the rooms, how we should make it look. And we'll jump outside here as well. Let's see what we got going on the side. Open that up real quick. Oh, there it is. Put a new door too, because that's definitely leaning right there. Yeah, I can't even open it up all the way. But regardless, I mean, we've got a nice little space right here. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna see if these neighbors will sell me a couple more, you know, feet of this backyard for me so I can get some more space. But we got this whole side where you can pull in. This is definitely big enough for a pickup truck. We're gonna put that garage door on the exterior here on the side. So when you pull in, you can pull in the Bobcat, you can do what you need to do, you can walk stuff in and out. Probably come over here and show them, Paul, we're more than likely gonna not pave this part, we'll probably do this with concrete, pour a nice slab right here, but in the front here, we might do like a seal coat on the actual asphalt just to make it look better, put some lines in for parking so we know where we need to park, not just park random. And then we'll just get this thing going, man. But painting this brick, doing all this stuff, getting a roof put on, a new one, because it does leak at times. We'll get a new roof put in and everything like that. But man, you see this parking lot, super spacious, a lot of things going on that I'm super excited for. And I really want y'all's opinions on this stuff, man. First office, first building that we're going into. Oh, I just hurt my finger, man. I have had the worst situations with my hands these last couple days. Every day I end up messing my hands up for some reason, and it hurts because it keeps happening on the same fingers and same hands and everything else. But regardless, man, super excited for this space. I'm very happy with how it's looking. And now my finger's bleeding, unfortunately. Look at that, man. Little boo-boo right there. Got hit right there, got hit right there, got hit right there. Now I'm hit right there. Ugh! But anyways, frustration's okay. You just got to work through it. Super excited. Thank you guys for following the journey, man. This is our new space. This is our new Nikos Property Show space. This is exciting. This is phenomenal. And I want your opinions. I want y'all to tell me, what do you think we should do in some of these rooms? Should we like knock all these walls down? Should we just make all this storage? Should we give Paul an office over here on the side? Should we give myself an office on this side? Should we do the conference table? I don't know. I need your help. But anyways, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe and check us out on all social platforms. Check out nikos-school.teachable.com. Check out my real estate beginners course so you can learn how to get into this stuff just like I am. Without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.